welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to create a birthday cake from a cardboard box. That's right, you got it, a cardboard box. So stick with me till the end to see the final reveal. Now today's tutorial is super quick and easy. Using an old Amazon box, I cut it down to size and formed a cylinder. I traced that cylinder onto an additional piece of cardboard to form our top. Then I used joint compound as our icing. I coated the entire box and then I used a Dollar Tree sponge brush and some water to smooth out the icing. I allowed the entire project to dry for 48 hours. Then I came back in with some brown paint to use as our chocolate dripping down the sides. I allowed that to dry another 24 hours, and then I came back in with some faux strawberries and some decorations for the top and side of the cake. And just as easy as that, we have a DIY faux birthday cake. I hope yours comes out as beautiful as mine did. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration to try it at home. So I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours and come back and show you what we have.